Here's what I want to share with you guys. Step one, I don't know if some of you are interested in joining with us. I'll share some info about it and a great opportunity for you in just a few minutes. For those of you that just want to know how to start, number one, when you're getting started, we force ourselves to trade too early. We put too much pressure on ourselves to be traders. We got to be participants before we're traders. It's like showing up in an ER room. This is your first day of residency, and you jump in and say, "Give me the scalpel. Scalpel. I'm ready to tear open some skin here." No, you sit on the other side and you watch the pros at work. Okay, it's week one of you starting to trade. Watch the market closely. Hands off the mouse. Just watch. When you're trying to click stuff emotionally, your brain is involved. You're not learning. You're gambling. Watch the market without involvement, without attachment. Week two, start finding trends and levels. Use our trend identification tool. Find the trend. All right, here's a trend. Here's a level I'm looking for. How does it act at this level? Write this stuff down in a journal. At this level, it failed. At this one, it didn't fail. What was the same or different? Week number 3, demo trends only. So demo trade in the direction of the trend, but you have to scratch every trade. So you got to get in. You got to say, all right, I'm bullish. It goes up 2 or 3 ticks, get out of the trade right away. Close it. And then if it goes down 2 or 3 ticks, cut it. Your whole goal here is to get into the trades you want to get into. But your goal is to place as many trades as possible and ultimately finish the week flat. What am I teaching you with that? I'm teaching you how to cut losses and gains. That's all. I'm teaching you how to remove attachment to the market and make it methodical. I'm teaching your brain how to exit losses and winners. All right, you're conditioning yourself is what you're doing. Week number 4, start demo trading, but use a risk management strategy. It doesn't have to be 5-8. If you're swing trader, 5-8 is way too tight. All right, and then week 5, keep demo trading, keep demo trading, keep demo trading until one day, Wednesday morning at 10:15 a.m., you say, you know what, I'm very confident in this trade. Switch to your live account. Go for it. You're free to run, but it has to feel natural, the transition. All right, because now you're going with 4 weeks of momentum into live trading. You're not just jumping in cold. Okay, here's my routine to start. 8 a.m., I meditate, relax, eat, go to the gym. I haven't been as good with this recently, but I haven't performed as well recently either, so maybe I should get back to it. I'm just being honest. 9 a.m., listen to our morning market update. So we open a room at 9 a.m. We talk from 9 to 9:30 about what we're watching for the day with news, items, levels, blah, blah. At 9:30, we get going. We trade live with all of our subscribers. You see my entries, you see my exits, you see my trials, my tribulations, my failures, and my successes. All right, 9:20, write down your morning levels on a piece of paper yourself. Don't let me just spoon feed them to you. You write them. And if you don't agree with me, challenge me on it. George, why? My level is different. All right, 9:30 a.m., watch a little. It's all right to dip your toe. 9:40 is who's in control. The first 10 minutes, classic whipsaw. Market opens, gets the newbies bought in, runs their stops, then goes back. Classic. Seen it 1,000 times. That's why I don't trade the first 10 minutes unless I really get pulled in. All right, that's a routine for success. Do something physical, do something active. Did you know people who are psyched up and listen to heavy music and like boom, 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 and some kind of repetitive thing that gets you excited and pumped up, do worse. They're taking more risk. If you watch an action clip and you started to trade, you'd be taking on more risk because your brain is primed for it. If you meditate or you slow down your atmosphere, you relax, you focus on your breathing, all right, what ends up happening is you actually analyze risk more openly and more realistically, more logically. You guys know that? Statistical. It's proven. There's science behind that. That's why you got to approach this game in a slow way. If you're going fast, you're going to blow out your account. Those guys you see on TV, you made $5 million today, and he was down $10 million the other day, and he says, what do you want to do? I want to put down another $10 million. Yeah, that's just a movie. Entertainment, guys. Pure entertainment. The most successful traders, if you sat with them, you'd probably be bored within 10 minutes. Just being real. All right, that's the routine. Try that routine. Try what I've put together here as a trading plan for you. And I guarantee you guys you'll have the best chance of success if you follow this formula. This is 14 years condensed into one PowerPoint. So do with it as you will. I think it's valuable. Here's a caution I want to give you. Don't just show up hoping to wing it. All right, I'm being real with you guys, and I hope you can appreciate this, and don't take it the wrong way, but don't show up hoping to wing it. Please don't. All right, because if you show up like that, your money is just going to end up in the TradePro's account. You know what I mean? It's not an income on the side type of thing. It's not a game. I just want to do this to make a little bit of money. You're going to war with people who are trained to go to war. There's people on the other side of the computer ready to rip your head off, and they don't care about you. They don't care. They don't give a damn about you. Neither does the market. There's no love relationship here. It's a fight. And if you don't go with that mentality, you're not going to succeed because you're fighting. So learn to fight or get used to pain and loss. And I'm not going to say this exact sentence, but you guys are going to get it. Somebody that trades very successfully who has helped me myself as well approve told me this. He said, bring your A game or stay the you-know-what home. Bring your A game or stay home. Because if you're on your B or C game, I'm going to tear your head off. And I'd rather not do it to you because I like it. And it doesn't have to be that aggressive, obviously, but you got to go with that mentality. It's a fight. It's not a beautiful thing. And don't fight alone. You see this happy retail trader guy here? Oh, yeah, this is great. Woohoo, I'm going to watch Netflix. I'm going to make a little bit of income on the side and then play with my grandchildren for 9 hours. And then the sharks are in the water waiting to pick that pocket. You don't have to be psychotic or intense to be a successful trader, but you got to be armed with the right tools. You got to be in the right community with the right people. All right? And I was going to say I believe, but I can tell you I know that that's what I've created with TRADEPRO Academy. I know it for a fact. I'll show you proof in 1 second. All right? Don't take it too aggressively, but remember, it's still a fight. It's still a good old-fashioned fight. Don't expect to get through it without having to throw a punch or take one. All right? It's a fight. You guys agree? Those of you that are there doing it today? That's why I don't want to show these beach photos of people trading. That marketing stuff doesn't work in my opinion. I want to show reality of the situation. So anyways, here's what we've created. I told you I've created the environment for you guys to be successful. Let me back it up. That's a powerful statement. Nobody's calling me out on it. Surprise. I told you got to fight, darn it. Swing traders, if you answered at the beginning that you want to swing trade or you can't stand in front of the computer all day or a couple hours a day because you work, we got a video archive for you that will teach you from the bare bones, from the very beginning basics. If you know nothing, it's a perfect start. If you already have some knowledge, we have more advanced material. So we have very beginning basics up to the more advanced stuff. We have videos. It's 30 plus hours of video, more. We have a 100-page guide on a quick study book. You print and work along with it. We have quizzes for each lesson. All right, we have an instructional plan on how to create your trading plan along with this. We have live webinars every Sunday. We sit down and we analyze the market. I don't just give you the materials, I also give you the analysis so you can be set for the week. At the beginning, it's important you do analysis with somebody. All right, and I can tell you most successful traders, they trade in a group. They stick together with other traders. Because trading is boring by yourself in a little corner. All right, part of the Options Pro package as well, we've got a development plan. I'll talk to that in a second. We've got a strategy selector tool. We got a strategy course. The cheat sheet that I've created for you that you could print and keep by your trading desk, trading debit spreads with a small account, how you could trade options on a swing trade basis, how you could generate weekly income, how you could trade short-term options strategy. That's all there for you. Oh, but there's more. All right, we have a daily newsletter that we send out. We basically give you a scan of unusual options activity. Here's the stocks that we like for the week. Here's what I think is going to happen. Trade idea. This one's a little risky, but a long call options play would be an interesting play here. All right, you get that daily. You get a weekly report as well with some opportunities. You get our watch list. Here's the stocks that I'm currently watching. I'm long CYS, NOG, VER, and Etsy on my live account. I could alt tab and show you if you don't believe me. All right, we're here. We're here to help you out. We're here to help each other. There's these guys and there's these guys. And when you get on top of the mountain, you're successful. You don't have to be the guy that gives the handout for the other lady or gentleman that's trying to climb up. All right, but gosh darn it, stay on top of the mountain with people that are there. I'm the guy that likes to extend the hand out and bring people up. That's just my personality. If you make money, then why do you teach? Well, I love being asked that question. What do you do? What you do? Oh, I'm an electrician. Where'd you learn it? What if that person didn't exist? What would you do then? All right, it's your duty when you're on top of the mountain to think about extending your hand. That's what I've created with TRADEPRO Academy. All right, that's what we believe in. Day traders, here's what we got for you. We got a 10-lesson course on all day trading, and I'm going to show you. You're going to learn in a second. It'll blow your mind. We have quizzes as well. We got a plan on. We have trading plans, checklists that you can go through. The Phoenix plan, which helps you gradually immerse yourself from learning to doing. All right, here's kind of what the subscription looks like. Trading checklist, the course. We have a development plan, which is a step-by-step process you go through when you don't know what you're doing to conquer all this. Liz says, I'm learning a lot by watching the live trades in the morning. Liz, I'm going to block out your last name there. I'm sorry, it just popped up when I upload the webinar. So she says she's learning a lot. We have a live trading room. Thanks for that, Liz. I was going to actually get to that. We also have the Sunday webinars. Every morning, 9 to 11 a.m., we trade live as a group. Think about that. You're learning, but you're also seeing somebody do it. Not just me, other traders. Today, Matt said, I would cut my risk here if I were you. And I said, you know what, Matt? You're seeing it the right way. All right? Matt's a guy that's learning, but he's also learning how to do. And he's telling me his analysis, and it makes sense. It's great. I love that kind of stuff. It's a team room. It's a great environment. It's every morning. All right? We have live trading, like I said, throughout the day. We've got a community on a little chat group that we have running. We show you how to use charts, not time charts, but real charts that help you show rotations, market structure, etc. Show you how to use order flow to analyze stuff, use volume profiles here, how to read a footprint chart, trading filters, algo orders. All right, find reversals, how to see what orders are being placed and canceled, how to read algorithm activity, how to find sell delta. For example, look at this. Sell, 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 can't go down. What do you think happens when 1 million people sell and the price doesn't go down? Buy stops. Stop losses are coming out. I love to hunt those stops. I'm long down here. 100%. I bet you I'm long down there. Sure enough, you're getting stopped out. I'm making money. Not you, but I'm just saying traders are getting stopped out. I'm making money. That's what we do. That's our skill. We're stop hunters. All right. So again, that's how we extend out our hand to help bring the person on the mountain. And it's true development. We got a little check plan as well. Every section, whether you're going to do options, which is swing trading, or day trading, there's a development plan for each one of these. Or if you're brand new to trading, guess what? Start here as well. We have a development plan for that. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at it. All right. You think I'm not extending a handout? This is, somebody said, hey, you know what? It'd be nice to have a checklist as I go along. All right, done. Checklist the same weekend. Here's the steps that you have to take. Here's the lesson. So you basically go through, watch the lesson, get the journal, take the quiz, and do the homework that I give you here. Check it off as you go. All right, you go through this checklist. It's not a game. Like I said, it's work. Then you create your trading plan. All right, that looks familiar a little bit. It should be. Exit strategy, maximum drawdown. You want to transition to trading from demo to live? Do these things. All right. There's me in Bali, my favorite trading office in the whole world. So we have one of those checklists for every group. That one I showed you was new to trading, but I have one for Options Pro, and I have a development plan that you can print and follow for Day Trader Pro. So again, climbing the mountain with somebody. All right, here's the edge. Learn to swing trade with options. So what I told you about the weekly newsletter and the strategy selection tool, weekly live analysis webinar, daily unusual activity emails, which is kind of watch list of trades, plus access to the weekly stock watch list and the live positions that I'm trading, $79 a month US. I don't want to charge you $10,000 for a course. I want to charge you as you're learning. As if it takes you 3 months and you say this isn't for me, you've only paid 79 times 3, not $10,000 to get education. Do you know where the real education comes from? Not me, Mr. Market. He's going to teach you. I'm just going to guide you. That's why I can't charge 10K for a course. It's just not. It's not what I believe in or what we stand for. It'll never be that way. Learn to day trade futures. If you want a little bit more active, you could live trade every weekday morning, 9, 11 a.m. We have a community trading room, live webinar, and this is prop firm level training. I guarantee you, you take the course, you're going to talk to guys that trade at Goldman Sachs that use the exact same level of analysis that you do. So you're getting a program that you know prop traders are using. It's got to at least have some kind of edge to it. All right, and it's full of things you never heard of because they work. I love to say that. It's $99 a month US. Now, if you want to do options and futures, it's $139. So basically, you save 22%. You pay $139, called the Pro Bundle. Nothing comes from doing nothing. You got to take some action. I want you guys to sign up and try it out. It's 30 days, satisfaction guarantee, your money back.